So there are a lot of disadvantages of using a pirated version of Windows 10. Unwanted malware and viruses on your computer. Files may get corrupted over time. You can't get the full experience of Windows. You may miss the major Windows security updates. Your computer may get hacked. Performance of your computer may suffer. And there are many more risks if you use a pirated version of Windows. So Himanshu, how can I get genuine Windows without breaking the bank? Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, in the past, you know that Windows key for 8,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, even 14,000 rupees. But in this digital era, you can get Windows 10 key for just rupees 800 or 2,000 rupees. How cool is that? So how to get Windows key for 1,000 rupees or 2,500 rupees? Well, let me show you. So go to this windows10offer.com. This is a very genuine website and many big YouTubers like Indian Gamer, Prince Chandra are talking about this. So yeah, this is genuine. So here you'll find Windows 10 Pro retail key, Microsoft Office key, Windows 7 key, Windows 8 key, Windows 10 Pro OEM key. So what's the difference between OEM key and retail key? Well, the OEM keys can be used only once. So yeah, it will stick to just one computer, and if you have to reinstall Windows 10 again, then you can't use it. So I won't recommend this Windows 10 Pro OEM key on your computer unless you are a reseller or you have a shop and you install it on a customer's computer. So yeah, this is strictly for those who need to install it only once. I would recommend you to buy this Windows 10 full retail key. So what's some benefit in a retail key? Well, you can use it unlimited time. If you want to upgrade from a PC to a laptop or another PC, you can use it and it will work on that new computer. It does not stick to one motherboard. So yeah, if you want to upgrade to a new computer or if you want to reinstall Windows, then also you can use it. So yes, it has a lifetime duration and you can use it as many times as you want. So for example, you have two computers, you want to transfer a key from one computer to another computer, you can do it in this situation. So let me show you how it's bought. And if you think that 2,500 is a lot for a key, then I have a coupon code for you. So yes, I have a coupon code for you worth rupees 750. So what you have to do to apply this coupon code is just enter the coupon code CS, which stands for Creator Shed, CS750, and that will give you 750 rupees of discount. So yes, so you'll get additional discount of 750 rupees on 2,500 rupees key and 250 rupees discount on 1,000 rupees key. So just add your name and address here. Well, this won't be a physical key. You have to put your email ID accurately here so that they can send you the key. And I would recommend you to choose this PayUmoney option. PayUmoney is a very secure payment gateway in India, so you can definitely use it. So I won't recommend you to buy from cash on delivery because there is no such option as cash on delivery. You have to either pay them via Paytm, UPI, debit card, credit card. But yeah, I would recommend you to buy from PayUmoney so that you can just insert your credit debit cards or net banking and buy it like that. But if you are in confusion, then you can select cash on delivery and there will be a mail within an hour to ask you for the payment through UPI, Paytm. If you select the Paytm option, then they will send you the QR code. You have to scan it, and I mean, there are a lot of steps if you choose cash on delivery. So I would recommend you to buy from PayUmoney option. So just tap on this PayUmoney, confirm your email address and just click this I have read and agree and place order. This will redirect you to the PayUmoney website and there you can select your payment option. I'll select SBI net banking here and just pay now. So after successful payment, just check your mail and you have got your receipt there. So it will say that you'll get your Windows 10 key within 1 to 2 hours, but I have got it in 5 minutes. So let me show you the mail. Here's the mail from windows10offer.com and I have got the key. So yeah, this is how you can buy your genuine Windows key for 1,750 rupees, which will be reusable. Now there are all the instructions how you have to insert your Windows key and how you have to install Windows 10 on your computer. So if you are a YouTuber, blogger, vlogger, anything, you can also earn money through it by going to their affiliate area and you can visit the site for more details. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching And don't forget to use coupon code CS750 on 2500 rupees product key, and CS250 on 1000 rupees product key, and use PayUmoney payment gateway. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.